The newly crowned Miss America, the woman who embodies all that is America, sat on the stage and played with a red plastic cup for the talent portion of the contest. Seen here. Oh, nope, that's not it. I'm sorry. Seen here, clapping her hands, singing Pharrell Williams' Happy, and banging on a red plastic cup on stage. That's what you get in an idiocracy, I guess. That's what happens when the number one most beloved celebrity in America is Kim Kardashian, just a worthless, talentless tramp. Hey, she took her daughter to the zoo! Oh, that's amazing! Meanwhile, we have a Texas sheriff saying that he's found copies of the Quran along the Mexican-American border. This as ISIS continues to vow to destroy America, but President Obama continues to just leave the borders wide open. Let's not forget that President Bush, of the Bush crime family, that third-generation skull and bones, devil-worshipping scum, called the Minutemen, the volunteer Border Patrol, a bunch of vigilantes. When they tried to help prevent, Al-Qaeda from sneaking into this country. And that's what happens. You have a dumbed-down, degenerate country who worships Kim Kardashian wearing a new blouse or going to the zoo. That's apparently news. And these are the same people that are entertained by a pretty girl sitting on a stage playing with a red plastic party cup, banging it on the ground like a 1.5-year-old infant. Look at that. This is so talented. Do I need to remind you that she won? She won the contest. So talented she is. She's gonna bring a lot of good to the country, a lot of good to the world, help the country heal from the dumbed down, degenerate, mind-numbing mainstream media, just bacteria, brain-infecting idiocy that's happening. That's fantastic. Playing with a red plastic party cup and winning the Miss America contest.